Okay, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up MySQL and XAMPP. First thing you want to make sure that first thing you want to do is make sure that in your XAMPP control panel that you have Apache and XAMPP running by clicking on the start buttons. Okay. In the new version of XAMPP, they no longer support a security page. You can set up your password in my phpMyAdim by clicking on my phpMyAdim. Go to users accounts and click on it. You're gonna go all the way down to the root folder right here to say user root and user location host. I'm gonna go there and click on edit privileges. Go to the top of the page, click on change password. And for here, you want to enter your password in twice. And can go down and click on go. Yeah, you can also click on it. Now go up to here, right click on my phpMyAdim, click open link in click on open link in new tab, and you get this. Ask denied. Okay, this is the easy part to fix. You're gonna go right into your local disk host, find XAMPP folder, and go over down to phpMyAdim. You want to open configure PHP in Notepad++. Under authentication type and info, make these changes. Change configure to cooking. And password, type in the password that you just used for your admin. Save it. And refresh the page, and now it should work. See, now you successfully just protected your phpMyAdim. Go to user account. After you go to user account, you can see that your phpMyAdim password was successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, rate, and subscribe.